Good evening everyone. So here is the chapter 8 shapes and symmetry workbook problems and their solutions. Let's get start the topic. First question. For each regular polygon give the correct name and the number of sides. The first one is done for you. So here the first one is given that it is having a 5 sides, so its name as a pentagon. The next one, it is having 6 sides, so we call it as hexagon. 6 sides. Next one, it is an octagon with the 8 sides, and it is a decagon with 10 sides. So the next bit is given there, fill in the blanks, but in the box they provided some answers. A correct answer we have to fill in the blanks. First one, all the sides are the same length. So if you observe the given figure, is a square, so all the sides of the square are equal in length. All the sides of the square are equal in length. AB is parallel to, so here we can see AB line segment is parallel to DC, and AD is parallel to BC, and all the angles are 90 degrees, and we call this as right angle. Next, third bit, look at rectangle EFGH. Copy and complete this sentence using the options in the box. First one, dash sides are the same length. Dash sides are the same length. In a rectangle, opposite sides are in the same length. So the first answer is opposite sides. Next one, EH is parallel to FG, and EF is parallel to HG. All the angles are 90 degrees. Right? Now let us move to the fourth bit. Look at the kite IJKL. Here is the kite IJK and L. Okay, IJ is the same length as blank and JK is the same length as. So here we have to mention that IJ is equals to which side. So the answer is IL. IJ is equal with IL, because in a kite two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. So JK is equals to LK. Next, none of the sides are parallel. None of the sides are parallel because they will intersect. If we extend the length of the line segments, they will intersect at one point. Angle ILK is dash to angle IJK, but angle LIJ is dash equal to angle LKJ. So here angle ILK is equal to angle IJK, but angle LIJ is not equal to the angle, LKJ. Here this angle is not equal with any angle, the two, but in a kite one pair of opposite angles are equal here. So angle L is equal to angle J. Let's move to the next problem. Fifth one. Look at the parallelogram MNOP. Again, fill in the blanks. Dash sides are the same length. Opposite sides are in the same length. The parallelogram. NO is a parallel to MP and PO is parallel to MN. You can observe the diagram. PO is parallel to MN, MP is parallel to NO. Angle PMN is equal to angle PMN is equal to angle NOP and angle MNO is equal to angle MPO. Angle MNO, and that means this angle is equal to MPO, this angle. The both angles are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Next, sixth. Look at the rhombus QRST. We know that the properties of rhombus are all the sides are equal in length, but all the angles are not in equal in length. Opposite angles are equal. Two pairs of opposite angles are equal. Dash sides are the same length. All the sides are in same length. Opposite sides are parallel. Angle TQR is equals to angle TSR and angle QTS is equals to angle QRS. As we discussed, the opposite angles are equal. Next, in the seventh bit, we have to write true or false for the given statements. Let us see. A hexagon has 5 lines of symmetry. It is false. A hexagon which is having 6 sides, and here we are discussing these all the statements about regular polygons. A regular polygon means, let me remind you once again, that all the sides and all the angles are equal in a given polygon. Here a regular hexagon have 6 lines of symmetry, not 5 lines of symmetry, because it is having 6 sides. An octagon has an order of rotation 8. True. If a regular polygon having a number of sides 8, then the order of rotation is also 8. A pentagon has order of rotation as 10. False, because in a pentagon the total number of sides are 5. A decagon has 10 lines of symmetry. True. A polygon with 50 lines of symmetry has 15 sides. True. A polygon with order of rotation 20 has 19 sides. False. If it is having order of rotation as 20, then the total number of sides also 20. Now let us move to the problem number 8. Match each quadrilateral with its correct side and angle properties. So square matches with the statement 2 or a property 2, but what is given, all sides the same length, 2 pairs of parallel sides, all angles are 90 degrees. Next, rectangle, it matches with 4, point number 4, 2 pairs of sides the same length, 2 pairs of parallel sides, all angles are 90 degrees. Now coming to the part 3, rhombus, it matches with point number 1, all the sides have the same length, 2 pairs of parallel sides, opposite angles are equal in length. Next, finally, parallelogram, it matches with point 3, that 2 pairs of parallel sides have the same length, Two pairs of parallel lines, opposite angles are equal in length. Next, 9. Sophia is describing a rectangle to Zara. Let us listen to Sophia that what she is saying. My quadrilateral has two pairs of parallel sides and two pairs of sides the same length. What is the name of my quadrilateral? Has Sophia given Zara enough information for her to work out that the quadrilateral is a rectangle? Explain your answer. According to this statement what given by Sophia, we have to finalize that all the properties are matching quadrilateral rectangle or not. So no, it is not only a rectangle, because at the moment she could be describing a rectangle or a parallelogram, because here the statements what she have given are matching with the rectangle as well as parallelogram. So to get a clarity and confirmation about a rectangle, she needs to add the information that all the angles are equal and they are 90 degrees. If she add this information, so we can get a clarity and confirmation that she is speaking or explaining or describing about the shape rectangle. Here you can able to see that two pairs of parallel sides are there, two pairs of sides equal in length. So in a parallelogram also, two pairs of parallel lines and opposite sides are equal, same follows by the rectangle. But there is only one difference between parallelogram and rectangle is that it is having all the angles are equal as 90 degrees. In a parallelogram only opposite angles are equal. Next, bit number 10. Match each quadrilateral with the correct properties. First one, trapezium. Trapezium matches with the point number 3, that one pair of parallel sides. Next, B matches with point number 1, one pair of sides have the same length, because it is isosceles trapezium. Non-parallel sides are unequal in length. Non-parallel sides are equal in length. Two pairs of equal angles. See here, two pairs of adjacent angles are equal in an isosceles trapezium. Next, kite. It matches with the statement 2. Two pairs of sides have the same length, one pair of equal angles. Here one pair of opposite angles are equal and two pairs of adjacent sides are equal in length. Next, 11. Arun is describing an isosceles trapezium to Marcus. A quadrilateral has one pair of parallel sides and one pair of sides have the same length. What is the name of my quadrilateral? Has Arun given Marcus a correct information? Explain your answer. No. At the moment, he could be describing a normal trapezium or an isosceles trapezium. He needs to say that the shape has two pairs of equal angles. Two pairs of equal angles. When he mentioned particularly that one pair of parallel lines and non-parallel sides are equal, and also along with this he should add that two pairs of adjacent angles also equal, then we can confirm that the describing shape is isosceles trapezium. Next, challenging with the 12th one. Put each quadrilateral through this classification flowchart. Write the letter where each shape comes out. So here some letters are provided to show that A rhombus, B trapezium, C kite, D rectangle, E square, F isosceles trapezium, G parallelogram. Now we have to put the letter, the capital letter which is written over here. You are able to see here. Yes, H, I, this L, and there are more letters. These all the capital letters or uppercase alphabets we have to write with this small letters and the name of this, where it matches, where it places exactly. Right, let us see. In the place of J, place of J, here we'll get a rhombus. So here comes J, because because let us see, all angles are 90 degrees. In a rhombus all the angles are not 90 degrees, so it comes to the no. Next, opposite angles are equal. Yes, in a rhombus opposite angles are equal, so it comes to the flow of yes. All the sides having the same length. Yes, it is having opposite angles equal and all the sides are equal in length, so it is a rhombus. A, we can tell the A. Next, B trapezium. Trapezium falls here. Let me discuss this. All the angles are not 90 degrees, so no. Then opposite angles are equal, no. One pair of parallel sides, yes. Then from here two pairs of equal angles, no. So trapezium comes here. Next, third, kite. See kite. Kite comes here. Let's see. All angles are 90 degrees, no. Opposite angles are equal, no. One pair of parallel sides, also no. So it is a kite. Next, D, I. Rectangle comes at the place I. All angles are 90 degrees, yes. All the sides have the same length, no. So 90 degrees are there and all the sides are not in equal length. Opposite sides are equal in length. So rectangle here. Next, E, square. Here square comes in the place of H, because all the angles are equal in length, all the sides are equal in length, so square is E. Next, isosceles trapezium. It falls here at the place M. At the place of M. So next, parallelogram. It falls in the final place, that K. So next, 13th, we should write true or false. A rhombus is a special parallelogram. Yes, true. A kite is a special quadrilateral. True. A trapezium is a special parallelogram. A trapezium is a special parallelogram. No. Trapezium is not a special parallelogram. Parallelogram is a special trapezium, right? Next, a rectangle is a special rhombus. No, false. A rectangle is not a special rhombus. There is no connection for them. A kite is a special parallelogram. No, false. Kite is not a special parallelogram. Kite is a special kite, special quadrilateral. A square is a special rhombus. Square is a special rhombus. Yes, true. Next, important. Make a copy of this coordinate grid. On the grid, plot the following points. First point, 2, 2. On the x-axis, let me increase the pen size. On the x-axis 2 and the y-axis 2, the collaboration point will be here. 6, 2, 6 on the x-axis, 2 means on the y-axis, here it will fall. 0, 4, 0 on the x-axis, 4 on the y-axis. 4, 4, 4 on the x-axis, 4 on the y-axis. 8, 4, 8 on the x-axis, 4 on the y-axis. 2, 6, 2, 6, 2, 8, 6, 8, 4, 9. Right. Now let's get into the question. Which points can you join to make each of these quadrilaterals rectangle? To form a rectangle, which points we have to join here? So 2, 2, here we can join 2, 2, 6, 2, 6, 8, 2, 8. If we join them, we'll get a rectangle.